Hey guys, it is KT Temple with Keller Williams Innovate here in Wilmington, and today we're going to look at how you create a social design within Command. Now you can use this for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. It can really be used for anything, even if you wanted to use this for a website or for a flyer. So today we're going to look specifically at creating a Instagram design for you to use on your platform. So we're going to go down to Designs here, and we're going to hit the plus button here at the bottom right. We're going to create a social design, and we'll hit next. Now this will pull up your library, and your library has tons and tons of stuff, and most of the stuff is pretty much done for you. So you can see here, if you use any of these app things, they're just about done for you. There's only a couple things you might want to edit or mess with a little bit, but for the most part they're done. So we're going to use probably one of the more common ones, which is the listings and the for sale listing. We want to choose this for Instagram, so this will format it correctly for you. And then we're going to say we want to use this one. Then your editor will come up, and this will allow you to make edits and changes to this. So first thing we want to do is obviously change the address. So you can change this to whatever address you want to make this for. And there's a really simple button right here called typewriter. If you click on that button, it'll pop up and you can change it to 123 Sesame Street. And we'll just say Nowhereland, North Carolina. Sounds like a place, right? And then we can come down here and we can change all of this information as well. So we'll use that little typewriter button just like we did the last time. And you can go and change any of this information. Once you're satisfied, hit Save Changes. Now we want to change this picture. So we can click on this picture here and we can go to the KWLS. So this is hooked up to all the listings within Keller Williams. So you can go in, find the listing you want to add in here. So we'll just search for a Wilmington listing, find the one we're looking for. Sure, this one will work. And then since we've clicked on this picture, when we hover over this picture here, there's a little replace image button right here. When I click on that, it replaces the image for me. Now all we need to do is change out this DBA logo. So we'll click on this logo here, and we'll go to logos up here. And these are all the ones you uploaded. So there's a little My Library button, and you can add different things to your library. So I'm going to actually go to Company instead, and I want to add a KW logo, and I'm just going to pick the one I want to use. So this one looks good to me. So we want to format that correctly so it shows up good. Perfect. And then maybe I want to add my logo as well. So I'm going to go back to My Library. I'm going to add in the logo I want to use. Adjust it down a little bit. I'm going to prop it right up here at the top. Perfect. So now I've created my social design. Now you can download this with this download button right here. Just use the regular quality, it's probably good enough. And then start your download. Now that's going to download to your computer. Now since this is Instagram, you're going to want to get it onto your phone. There's a couple ways you can do that. I'm on a Mac, so I can just add it to my files and then it'll be on my files on my phone. You may need to email this to yourself. You may want to add it to your Google Drive, then pull up on your Google Drive on your phone. There's a bunch of different ways you can get it to your phone, but once it's there, you can then upload it to your Instagram. And that's how you create a design within Command.